A useful tool in the timeline is the ability to zoom. We can zoom in our timeline to give us either a clear view of a longer animation or allow us to easily select single frames. And to do this we have to use the scroll wheel, sorry I've spelt that completely wrong, on our mouse to accomplish this. So if we look at our timeline in Blender, I'm going to go back to my normal 250 frames, and by default our timeline allows us to view all these frames. But what if I increase, we're going to change this to 500 and enter. So now at the moment we can see that our clip goes beyond the scope of our visible timeline. So all we need to do is zoom out by scrolling down on our scroll wheel, and now we can see that we have our timeline fully in place from frame 0 to 500. We can also grab the bar below it, which is actually also a scroll bar in itself, to move backwards and forwards in our frames. In addition to scrolling out, if we scrolled in, we could scroll in as far as we wanted up to singular frames. So now I've scrolled in enough so that I can go 234, 35, 36 at the click of a button. And of course I can select which frame I want here, but even once I do that, it does not auto-locate to that frame. So I'd have to zoom out again, make sure that the selected frame is roughly in the center, and begin scrolling in. And then I can work on that section of frames.